Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI chatbot. So where you can get whatever the things related with your research work you want. So the important thing is that it is generating a perfect codes for your research work. So those who are struggling to write codes or to find better codes for your research work, so you can use this AI chatbot to generate better codes for your research. So let us go on to today's video and explore with some input prompts. So let us see how this chatbot will analyze things from internet and it will generate a better code for us. Let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as our input sources, and then we are going to implement maximum power point tracking in both of them to grasp maximum amount of energy from them, and then we are going to incorporate it with a grid, and then we are going to make proper power management between EV charging station and the input sources. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Blackbox AI. So it is a fantastic AI tool trusted by millions of users, so especially to generate a better code for you. So instead I am going to give an input prompt to generate code. So for that I am going to give an input prompt, generate an MATLAB code for the perturb and observe MPPT algorithm. So this is the input I am going to give. So it will analyze all the databases available in them, so and it will generate a better code for you. So here you can see it is analyzing the math works, so and it will generate code for you. So all the math work related document will be analyzed here. So see here you can see that, so our MATLAB code is generated. So VPV, IPV, PPV. Next dV is the change in voltage, so it is making a loop. Yes, a perfect MATLAB code for perturb and observe is generated. So apart from this, you can use it as a chatbot. For example, I am going to give an input prompt, explain about renewable energy. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So that normal operation as like all chatbots. So by giving input prompt it will generate answers. So it and also it will generate a detailed content for you with conclusion also. So and then if you want to continue chat, so you can give continue chat, or you can generate what are the sources it is analyzed. So after that you can start a new chat again. So in this chat what you can do is, so you can upload or update any documents or images. So that will be explained using this Blackbox AI. So for example, if you want to want the explanation of figures, so you can upload the image and you can get the explanation of the figure. So and also if you want to ask any question in any of the documents, so you can upload the document and you can get that is explanation of the particular document, as like you do in many of the chat GPT is, that is chat with PDF like tools. You can generate that particular chat with PDF like tools also by updating that is uploading your PDF files here. So apart from this, so you can use it as a normal chatbot. So generate an abstract for the research paper titled machine learning algorithm for MPPT in solar PV system. So like that you can give any input prompt. So accordingly it will analyze different research papers, so thereby it will generate answers for you. So here you can see that, so this paper presents a novel approach to operating the PV system at maximum power point by implementing linear and non-linear regression type machine learning algorithms. The traditional methods of maximum power point tracking, such as P&O, OCV, short circuit current, so these are the different methods. So the algorithm is implemented using a supervised machine learning approach which ensures higher accuracy and then existing models. So like that it will generate a perfect abstract for you. So like that you can give any of the input prompts, and or else you can generate any codes you want. So it will generate all the code. As I was familiar with this kind of MATLAB code, so I asked for MATLAB code, it is generating perfectly only. So whichever the stream you belong, that is computer science, or whatever the streams you belong, so you can ask any codes. So this Blackbox AI is specialized in generating codes, so it will generate better codes for you. So make use of this Blackbox AI to generate a better content for your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.